What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2020 Jeep Wrangler that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys are looking to get your Wrangler built and trying to look for some inspiration, take a look at what we have here. First, we're going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit. So with the new JLs, you don't have to put a 3.5-inch lift like you would with the JKs. You can stick with a 2.5-inch and still fit the same wheel and tire package. So the tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be their hybrid tire. So it's a step down for the mud terrain, and it's going to give you that aggressive look of a mud terrain tire with the aggressive sidewall, the thicker tread. But it's also going to give you the on-road experience that you might be looking for as well. So it's going to give you a little bit of the quieter ride as well as the a longer tread life as well. Two other really good hybrid tires are going to be your Native Road Grappler, which is one that we use a lot, but also the Toyota Open Country AT3, which is another really good option as well. Down here we have a 22x12 High-Style Reaper, which is new to 2021. So if you guys are looking for a new wheel that hasn't really been out for long, this is one for you. This one's going to have the mix between a concave and a deep dish look, so it's going to have about a 3.5-inch lip on this wheel, but also have a little bit of concavity with the spokes. And then what they did with the spokes is going to be pretty different. It's going to be a mix between, well, it's going to have that directional look to it, but it's also going to be really off-roady looking with a lot of different things going on around the spokes. It's going to have those slots in between on the outside of those spokes. This one's going to also feature the open lug look here, so you can also run the spike lug nuts if that's something you are looking to do. The last thing I'm going to mention is that this one does come in sizes from a 20x10 all the way up to a 26x12, and the finishes of their asphalt, which is more of a matte black finish, as well as the gloss or the black and milled, as well as the armor plate, which is more of a chrome finish. So those are going to be your options for this new 2021 wheel by Hostile. So if you guys like it and want to get this put on your Jeep, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you go ahead and get your Jeep built now and pay over time, so you can just go ahead and enjoy it.